Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Revell. This is the Panzerhaubitze 2000 self-propelled howitzer. And this is in 1/35th scale. Here we can see here some more information in multiple languages, as well as the length, 33.4 centimeters. Kit number 03042, and we do have an illustration on the front cover there. Continuing on the sides, more information in multiple languages, particularly the color paint scheme involved, and a few sample camouflage setups that you can have. Continuing on the edges, some pricing information at the time. This is skill level 5, looks like. Continuing on this side, more information in other languages. Barcode. And even on the bottom of the box, more illustrations of other models in the series, as well as a little bit of information on the skill level involved. And this should be from 1999, if we look at the date there. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I believe that is everything. We can set this to the side here. Here we have our instructions with a black and white version of the illustration, printed in Poland, again from 1999. Information in multiple languages, and this opens up like a booklet, continues with a lot of text there, some of the icons on some of the types of assembly instructions involved, used symbols, used colors, illustrations of the parts trees, and then the kind of schematic style instruction drawings there. Not a lot of text, just numbers and letters for the parts, as well as the instruction icons, as you can see there. Continues over several pages until we get to some of the paint instructions there, depending on which version you want to simulate throughout there. Continuing, this looks like our decal set. And it looks like we have another bit of paper here with more instructions in multiple languages. These look like safety instructions on both sides of the paper. Looks like all the parts trees are still in the original box bags. So you can get a look at the detail there. There looks like the main hull of the turret top. Hull is still within the bag. You can sort of see the rubberized tracks in there. It's up to you whether or not you want to substitute individual links. And here you can see as well the wheels and other hull pieces there. Now, what I thought was interesting is this kit includes a turned solid aluminum barrel. So that's a pretty cool feature for this model here. So this looks like the paper that helps to protect the decals. So I'll put these back into a separate bag. But again, we're taking a look at the Panzerhaubitze 2000 from Revell in 1/35th scale. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all these out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.